Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing so you can see this ACTOO 4-pin RGB splitter extension that I picked up. This is great for PC fans or other RGB lighting for your PC that runs on a 4-pin. So it's a splitter. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Pull this all out. So it actually comes with two of them in the kit. They're just like that. So they're about 30 centimeters long. You've got the one end that plugs into your PC. It is a 4-pin there. And then you've got it split to two of those on the other end. So again, that would plug into your PC, and you would plug in your RGB lighting or fan into this end. Now it does come with 6 of these little pin things. So there's those, so you can plug that in on that end, and then you can plug your fan in on the other end if it needs that sort of a connector as well. So those are tiny little connectors there that would fit in each of these ends if you need them. And that's what comes in this ACTOO 4-pin RGB splitter extension kit. Again, 2 of these, just like that, and 6 of these little adapter things for connecting.